Today we will discuss about project browser in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. Project browser organizes different views, elements, and objects within a project in a systematic way. The project browser consists of different categories including views, for example, floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D views, elevations, and sections are included. Project browser is also organizing legend in addition. It also manages of different types of schedules, quantities, provides sheets of different sizes to display them all, and sorts the different families used in the project by category. It is also controlling a group of similar objects or systems, and it is organizing Revit links in a project for use. The project browser can be adjusted anywhere in the drawing working area, and it can be resized. If project browser does not display, check the project browser box in the View tab, User Interface drop-down list. The project browser will be appeared. So, in today's topic, we have studied the project browser in Revit. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.